Need a reliable tool that handles everyday tasks with ease? Best pocket knives for daily use combine portability, durability, and practical features for work, outdoor activities, and daily carry. In this guide, we'll highlight top options that deliver dependable performance and long-term value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Kershaw Leek Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Leek Pocket Knife has earned its reputation as one of the most practical everyday carry knives on the market. Featuring a sleek and slim profile, it easily disappears into a pocket while remaining ready for daily cutting tasks. The 3-inch drop-point blade is crafted from Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel, a material known for its excellent balance of edge retention, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening. The bead-blasted finish gives the blade a clean, professional appearance while reducing glare. One of the standout features is Kershaw's assisted opening mechanism, which allows the blade to deploy quickly and smoothly with minimal effort. Safety is also well addressed through the frame lock and tip lock slider, ensuring the blade stays secure both open and closed. Whether opening packages, handling light outdoor tasks, or carrying it as a reliable EDC companion, the Leek performs consistently well. Its combination of premium materials, lightweight design, and dependable functionality makes it an excellent choice for users seeking a stylish and capable pocket knife. Number 2. Kershaw Iridium Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Iridium Pocket Knife offers a modern take on the everyday carry folder, blending premium materials with smooth operation and attractive styling. Its gray anodized aluminum handle gives the knife a sophisticated appearance while keeping the weight manageable at just 3.3 ounces. The D2 high-carbon tool steel blade is a major highlight, providing impressive wear resistance, toughness, and long-lasting edge retention for frequent use. Thanks to the KVT ball bearing pivot system, the blade opens effortlessly using the thumb studs, delivering a smooth and satisfying action every time. A deep carry pocket clip allows discreet carry and can be reversed for left or right-handed users, enhancing versatility. The bronze anodized backspacer adds a subtle visual accent that complements the knife's clean design. Suitable for everyday cutting tasks, outdoor adventures, and general utility work, the Iridium strikes an excellent balance between performance, durability, and comfort. It is a refined EDC option that appeals to both experienced knife enthusiasts and first-time buyers looking for dependable quality. Number 3. Spyderco Tenacious Pocket Knife. The Spyderco Tenacious Pocket Knife continues to be one of the brand's most popular models thanks to its dependable performance, ergonomic design, and excellent value. Built around a full flat-ground 8CR113 MOV stainless steel blade, the Tenacious delivers impressive cutting efficiency and durability for a wide range of everyday tasks. The blade slices cleanly through cardboard, rope, packaging materials, and other common items while maintaining a useful edge over time, ensuring confident handling even in wet or demanding conditions. The sturdy liner lock mechanism locks the blade firmly during use and contributes to safe, reliable operation. One-handed deployment is effortless thanks to Spyderco's iconic round opening hole, which has become a favorite feature among knife users worldwide. Available in multiple edge configurations, the Tenacious can accommodate different cutting preferences and applications. Whether used as an everyday carry tool, work knife, or backup outdoor companion, it consistently delivers dependable performance. Its practical design and proven reliability make it a strong choice for users seeking a versatile and durable folding knife. Number 4. Kershaw Blur Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Blur Pocket Knife is designed for users who need a rugged and capable everyday carry knife that performs equally well in work and outdoor environments. Its 3.4-inch recurved blade is crafted from premium 14C28N stainless steel, offering an excellent combination of corrosion resistance, toughness, and edge retention. The black Cerakote coating not only enhances the knife's appearance, but also adds extra protection against wear and environmental exposure. The olive anodized 6061 T6
Leek's aluminum handle provides a lightweight yet durable platform, making the knife convenient when speed and accessibility matter. The inset liner lock secures the blade confidently during use, adding an important layer of safety. The Blern's slightly recurved blade shape excels at slicing and cutting tasks, making it highly versatile for daily use. Its combination of premium materials, ergonomic design, and reliable performance has made it a favorite among EDC enthusiasts for years. For users seeking a durable, attractive, and hard-working pocket knife, the Blur remains an outstanding option.
Number 5. CJRB Maximal Pocket Knife. The CJRB Maximal Pocket Knife is a thoughtfully designed everyday carry tool that successfully balances compact carry with impressive cutting capability. Designed by David C. Anderson, the Maximal is intended to appeal to both experienced knife enthusiasts and newcomers searching for a dependable first pocket knife. Its 2.95-inch drop-point blade is made from AR-RPM 9 steel, a material known for providing strong edge retention, corrosion resistance, and overall durability. The versatile blade shape handles a wide variety of cutting tasks efficiently, from opening packages to tackling more demanding utility work. The G10 handle scales contribute to excellent grip security while resisting moisture and wear, making the knife suitable for different environments. An ergonomic handle design and increased grip area improve comfort during extended use. Despite its compact footprint, the Maximal feels substantial and capable in hand. Its excellent build quality, practical design, and versatile performance make it a highly attractive EDC option for a wide range of users.